Good morning, students. I am Professor Vindhya Gupta from SIRT, Bhopal. Today, we study about the financial management. I will teach you the first unit of the financial management. It's financial management concepts and functions. Now, first of all, concept of financial management. Financial management is mainly concerned with the proper management of funds. The finance manager must see that funds are procured in such a manner that risk and cost and control considerations are properly balanced and there is optimum utilization of funds. It means it's a deep part, management is that activity which is concerned to planning and controlling of the firm's financial resources. Now, these are definitions of financial management. According to Solomon, financial management is concerned with the efficient use of economic resources. Now we will see financial management and related disciplines. These are primary disciplines and other related disciplines. In primary disciplines, accounting, economics, and other disciplines, marketing, production, quantitative methods. Objectives of financial management. There are so many objectives in financial management. First of all, profit maximization. Second is maintenance of liquid assets. Third, wealth maximization. Fourth, ensuring a fair return to shareholders, building up reserves for growth and expansions, ensuring maximum operational efficiency by efficient and effective utilization of finances, ensuring financial discipline in the organization. Scope of financial management, estimating financial requirement, deciding capital structure, selecting a source of finance, selecting a pattern of investment, proper cash management, implementing financial controls, proper use of surpluses. These are finance functions, long-term asset mix or investment decisions, capital mix or financing decision, profit allocation or dividend decisions, short-term asset mix or liquidity decisions, financing decisions, deciding where from, and how to acquire funds to meet the investment needs, liquidity decisions, assets and current assets management, working capital management, investment decisions like evaluation of prospective profitability, measurement of cutoff rate or required rate of return. Now, importance of financial management, financial planning and successful promotion of an enterprise, acquisition of funds at minimum cost, proper use and allocation of funds, taking sound financial decisions, improving profitability through financial control, increasing the wealth of investors and the nation, and last one, promotion and mobilization, individual and corporate savings. These are factors which are influencing financial decisions. External factors, state of economy, government policy, taxation policy, requirement policy, lending policy of financial institutions. In internal factors come nature and size of business, expected return, cost interest, composition of assets, age of the firm, structure of ownership, liquidity position, working capital requirements, and others also. Now, functional areas of financial management, choosing the source of funds, determining financial needs, capital budgeting, cost volume profit analysis, profit planning and control, dividend policies, working capital management, and financial analysis and interpretation. Role of a financial manager. Firm's operation, financial manager, and then operate financial market, cash raised from investors, cash invested in firm, cash generated by operation, cash reinvested, cash returned to investors. These are a role of financial management. Organization of financial management functions, board of directors, then president, then come under finance manager or a vice president, treasury functions, control functions, role of treasurer and controller, two more officers. The treasurer and the controller may be appointed under the direct supervision of CFO to assist him or her. The treasurer function is to raise and manage company funds while the controller oversees whether funds are correctly applied. Role of treasurer, obtaining finance, banking relationships, investor relationships, cash management, credit administration, short-term financing, investment, insurance. Role of a controller, financial accounting, internal audit, taxation, management, accounting and control, budgeting, planning and control, economic appraisal. Thank you. Thank you so much for listening me. And if you like this video, please like, share. Thank you so much.